Hello everyone. My name is Ariwadan. I will be you about my experience when I went to Singkawang. At 4 in the morning, I wake up after hearing the alarm go off. Then I preferred the necessities that I was bring and then forget to pray and have breakfast before going to campus together before leaving for Singkawang. Around 7 o'clock, we left campus for Singkawang. During the trip, I only listened to songs all the way to Singkawang. Arriving at the location, we walked through beautiful plantation and cool view before arriving at the field trip location. After arriving at the location, I was given a snack before going to the meeting place. At the meeting place, we listened to motivational quotes from the chairman there and the experience he had gone through before becoming the person he is now. After finishing, we ate together accompanied by the beautiful atmosphere of the beautiful peace one. After that, we had a photo session before going home. After returning from the field trip, we stopped at a free beach which was not far away. After arriving at the beach, I just walked back and forth because was tired from the field trip activity. After we left the beach, we stopped at the mall in Singkawang. There is just wandered around looking and I went home to the bus. We used it on the way home. We listened to music and I slept for a while. We reached campus around 8 p.m. Maybe that's just my story.